I wanted to be a dentist since probably at least since I was a young teenager, which is kind of early. But my dad, I came from a blue collar family, and my dad was a laborer till I was 7. Very proud of my dad. He put himself through night school, and when I was 7, he graduated. But my dad always had a second job, so I did a lot of carpentry with him growing up. And I really learned that I love working with my hands. I'm dyslexic, so I was never be very good at writing papers. I'm gonna be a lawyer. And dentistry really fits me. As I said, I just love working with my hands. Another thing that really made me think very seriously about um, being a dentist was I didn't always have a great smile. I was kind of a daredevil as a kid. So when I was 7, as my front tooth was coming in, I broke it off. And then as the rest of my teeth came in, they were really crooked. I was very buck-toothed. So when I was 13, my parents made a sacrifice and got braces for me. And then after the braces came off, I got my front tooth fixed. So I was really appreciative of that. And so I really know how that feels. And I want patients to really have confidence in their smile.